So my name is Frank Wallace, and I am the case manager / career navigator for the EPIC program here at A Safe Haven. And I have with me one of my clients, Victoria Davis. And we're gonna ask you a couple questions, Victoria. Thank you for being here. So can you first of all tell us a little bit about what your situation was before you came to the EPIC program?
May 2018, I lost my job. I went to apply for government assistance, and they directed me to the EPIC program, which was here, the Culinary.
What degrees or certifications or licenses did you earn while you were going through the program?
Food service certification, and it's good for 5 years.
So coming into the program, what kind of challenges or barriers do you think you were facing, with regard to moving forward in, employment and?
The thing I was facing was getting up, getting here daily.
They got you here early.
Got here, the program was from 7 to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday.
Mm-hmm.
And we was in a classroom 1 day a week in a book. The other 4 days we was in the kitchen learning how to cook.
What's the temperature for vegetables? The minimum temperature.
35.
Sharp as a razor. What has been the most gratifying and satisfying part of your journey to date?
Learning how to cook things I never thought I would cook. Tasting things I never thought I would eat. Thinking about furthering my education. Because I'm enjoying culinary more and more since I'm learning more. Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Did you have any fears or concerns or anything like that when you first started and they sent you over here?
My fear was not knowing how to cook something that I had to cook.
You didn't have any background in
No.
culinary at all?
No. Just at home cooking little things, but
okay.
As I've been going through the class for the 7 weeks, I started eating things that I never thought I would eat, cooking things I never thought I would cook.
Yeah, in addition to that, you also did our job readiness class, correct?
Yes.
And they worked with you on interviewing.
Resume, credit bureau, lots of things you learn in job ready that I didn't know.
Mock interviewing and all that stuff. Yeah.
Yes.
So what do you think was the most helpful part of the whole program, the training, the work experience you went through? What do you think was the most helpful with you with regard to?
The most helpful was the program was free of charge.
Well, there you go.
We also had transportation. We got the uniform free, the book free, everything was free through the Culinary for the 7 weeks.
Yeah, that was a nice part of the program because, without having some of the classes, culinary classes can be quite expensive.
Correct.
Yeah, going through cordon bleu and all those types of things. So what do you think at this point, where do you think that you're going to be? What are your plans in the next 5 years? What do you think you're going to?
My plans in the next 5 years is to further my education in culinary. Hopefully, I want a house by the time I'm 40. And I would like to be an executive cook somewhere, if it's possible.
Yeah. What about, where do you think you'd be right now if they didn't have this program available to you?
Right now, I probably will be either still looking for a job or furthering my education.
Yeah. So this was a pretty good opportunity for you?
It was the best opportunity. And it was free.
It takes a lot of commitment on your part to do this. Somebody like me is only here really to kind of help navigate you through it. Mm-hmm. But you put in the time and the effort and made it a reality. Yeah. So what's your current situation right now with regard to employment and?
My current situation right now is I'm out the EPIC program, and Chef Marshall had me on to Safe Haven as of January the 7th, 2019.
And then they hired you full time, correct?
Yes, I'm
in the kitchen here?
Yes, I'm a cook full time at Safe Haven.